Climb the wall. Let's go. Use your legs, Kimora. Use your legs. There you go. Use your legs. Climb that bad boy. Use your legs. Use your long legs, Kimora. Use your long legs. Let's go. You got it. You almost got it. You almost got it. Get up in there. Now, come on, Kylie. Use your legs. Let's go. All right, Kimora. Good job, girl. I'll give it to you. Put it on. Come on, Kylie. Come on, Kylie. Let's go. Use your legs, girl. Use your legs.
That me.
Move away, Kylie. Move away, Kimora. Get up there. Come on, Kaylee. Let's go. Use your long legs. Use your legs, Kaylee. Climb that bad boy. Let's go. Use your legs. There you go. And your legs. You can get up there. Get up there and get it again. Use your legs, Kaylee. That's your arms. Use your legs. Come on, Kaylee. Get up there. Come on, Kaylee. Use your legs. No, that's your arms. Use your legs. Remember? Come on, Kaylee. You know how to do this. Let's go. There you go. Climb. You gonna skip all the steps because you got long legs? All right, good job, girl. Say hi to the camera, Kaylee. Look at the camera. You at the top of the mountain? Say, woo. Wave to the camera. Say hi.